I'm the king of dinosaurs.
No, I am.
I'm the king of dinosaurs.
Huh?
He does the crown. Okay. I am the king of dinosaurs, aka CRYOLOPHOSAURus. I don't have a clue, but that's me. Yeah, so it has really good texture, and because I like its color, but the bad thing is that because I had this stored for maybe a few months, so then when I stored it, when I was trying to store it, sometimes when the tail, you wound the tail, the head goes, and then it makes noise. Yeah, but I don't know the name. Yeah, I don't know.
It's a primal attack.
I know that. Oh yeah, and it's a primal attack.
It's Jurassic World.
Yeah, I don't know the name though.
Blue and Owen have the same body.
Okay. Well, I don't know the name.
Jurassisc.
CRYOLOPHOSAURus?
Jurassisc. Let's just call it that. Jurassisc.
Okay. Wait. Hey, I got scissors. Be careful with these because they can hurt you real bad if they go into your eyeball.
They can cut your hair.
When it's in the box, it feels so small. But now when I get it, I'm like, when it's in the box, it feels so big. But then when I just get it out of the box, it feels so small.
Yeah, my brother keeps these dinosaurs for a long time. He has more to come. So yeah.
Wow. Yeah, disposable legs that could run. It could run.
And we have this theory.
Get out of here, fellas. Okay. I'm sorry, technical difficulties. You know, I'm the king of dinosaurs, have trespassers every day. Get out of here! Yeah, very reasonable. Get out of here! Because I do live in Antarctica, but these guys don't. And because get out of here. But these guys wouldn't exist in the Arctic, and they were in different time periods, and they're not in the same place, so they disappear and die. But I don't know.
We get straight out of the volcano. We're an asteroid.
That's true. Yeah. This is it. And yeah. And because it does this and it makes noise. And get out of here. And I like the color. This is it. And you can scan at the little foot bottom. I'm gonna give you a minute.
You want to can?
Big. Why?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna
They
scan.
take
Okay, okay, we're good. And okay, well, yeah, goodbye. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. Bye.
And this is his assistant, so bye.
And the push my jaw. Okay, goodbye.